Defining relative clauses. Mastering the use of that. Hello, language learners. Today we're focusing on a crucial aspect of English grammar that can take your language skills to the next level. Defining relative clauses, specifically the use of that for people and things. We're also going to assess your understanding with some fill-in-the-blank exercises. Remember, practice makes perfect. Before we delve into the exercises, let's briefly recap what defining relative clauses are. They are a type of clause used to provide essential information about the noun or noun phrase it follows. The word that is often used in these clauses for both people and things. For example, the book that I read last week was fascinating. In defining relative clauses, we often use that as a relative pronoun to refer to both people and things. The use of that is common in both spoken and written English. Take note that can replace who or which, but is more informal. Here's an example. 1. The woman that lives next door is a doctor. 2. The chair that you are sitting on is antique. Now, let's dive into some fill-in-the-blank exercises to test your understanding. Here we go. 1. The dog _____ barks at night is very annoying. 2. The lady _____ sold me the flowers was very kind. 3. The book _____ I bought yesterday is a bestseller. 4. The park _____ we played in as children is still there. 5. The meal _____ I cooked for dinner was delicious. Try to fill in the blanks with the correct use of that. Remember, you can pause the video anytime to think about your answers. Did you take your time to think about the answers? Great! Let's check them together. 1. The dog that barks at night is very annoying. 2. The lady that sold me the flowers was very kind. 3. The book that I bought yesterday is a bestseller. 4. The park that we played in as children is still there. 5. The meal that I cooked for dinner was delicious. How did you do? Remember, it's okay if you made some mistakes. The key to mastering a language is constant practice and learning from errors. And that's it for today's lesson on defining relative clauses using that for people and things. Keep practicing these examples and soon it will become second nature for you to use them correctly. Keep up the good work, and see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!